How to check a Nike order as guessed with order number and email. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to check it, so you may follow out these steps for that. So we can visit their official site, which is, Nike guest ordering tracking page. So go over to this site right here, which is nike.com/orders. And on the orders page, you can get a section called check your order status, which should be available like this. So on the orders page, you can look out for your order status or guest order lookup and type in the following information such as your order number. So go ahead and enter it up and your tracking numbers also, and the email address used during the checkout. And click on check order status, and it will basically show you your status of your orders, which should be available like this. And you can view your order information such as processing, shipped, delivered, and your items in order, shipping details, tracking number if already shipped, and if available, you can click on the option called track shipment to see the delivery process. And you can just go over and view it up, and your order number is usually in the order confirmation email Nike sent right after the purchase. You can just go and use that number in order to check it up, and that's it. So that is it everybody. You may follow out those steps for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.